Ever found yourself tangled in the labyrinth of long reading passages, complex vocabulary, and tricky questions in IELTS reading? It's a common problem, but not an insurmountable one. Welcome to IELTS with Avtar, where today we unlock the secrets to mastering IELTS reading. First, take a moment to understand the structure of the test. It consists of 40 questions spread over 3 sections, each with its own passage. The passages increase in difficulty as you progress, so prepare for a challenging end. Tip number 1. Skim and scan. Skimming involves quickly reading through the passage to grasp the overall idea. It's like flying over a city to get the bird's eye view. Scanning, on the other hand, is the art of finding specific information, like searching for a particular street in that city. So, skim to get an idea, scan to find details. Second tip, understand the question types. There are multiple types of questions: multiple choice, short answers, sentence completion, and more. Each type requires a different strategy. For instance, for multiple choice questions, read the options before the passage. It will help you spot the answers easily. Tip number 3, manage your time. You have 60 minutes to read 3 passages and answer 40 questions. That's roughly 20 minutes per passage. Don't get stuck on one question. If you can't find the answer, move on. You can always come back to it later. The fourth tip, learn to paraphrase. IELTS loves to paraphrase. The words in the questions often won't match the words in the passage. So, build your paraphrasing skills. It can be the difference between finding the right answer and getting lost in the text. The final tip, practice, practice, practice. There's no substitute for it. The more you practice, the better you get at skimming, scanning, understanding question types, managing time, and paraphrasing. To summarize, today we've learned 5 key strategies to conquer the IELTS reading test. We've learned to skim and scan, to understand the different question types, to manage our time effectively, to master the art of paraphrasing, and most importantly, to practice. Remember, the IELTS reading test is not about testing your reading skills alone. It's about testing your ability to understand, manage time, and think critically under pressure. Thank you for joining us today on IELTS with Avtar. Remember, every challenge in the IELTS reading test is an opportunity to showcase your skills. Embrace the challenge, and you'll find success. Until next time, keep practicing and stay confident.